Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to stake your Tatcoin and earn TXT on Tatswap, using Trust Wallet. Step 1, click on D apps and search for Tatswap. Step 2, click on the menu option and select Stake. Step 3, click on Approve Contract. Step 4, click on Approve. Repeat the same step again. Step 5, click on Stake. Step 6, input the amount that you wish to stake and then click Confirm. Step 7, click on Approve. The coin has been successfully staked. When you start earning your TXT, it will be shown here. So now let's take a look at the wallet to see if the coin is still there. Thanks for watching, please subscribe.